last video, we bind the JSON data into our POJO class, means Java object. So in this video, so we're going to bind our Java object to JSON file. So how we're going to do, I will show you. Okay, so here I will take one more class like a student. Okay, I will take class, this POJO class student. In this student, I'll take properties private string name. Okay, and I will take one more thing, integer roll number. Okay, these two I'll generate setters and getters for those two properties, and to string also. Okay, fine. And now I will take one more class for checking purpose. Now Java to JSON, right? Java to I created a new main class. Okay, so now I will take here student object. I will create the student object here. Okay, and I'll set details to that student object like Sanjay. Okay, I'll set this data, and I will set same roll number 453. Okay, okay, it's integer, right? Yeah, fine. Now I set data to the object, and now I wanted to bind this POJO class data to our JSON object. So for that, I will use object mapper. Okay, I told you now, object mapper use it to read and write the data to the JSON file. Okay, object mapper. Okay, I'll create object mapper class, and import, and I will control one extract to a variable object mapper. Okay, so object mapper is used to write. So I will write. Okay, I'll write. Now I'll write a value to a file, right? For that I will here. So first argument we need to pass. So we need to pass a file. That is, the path is I will create into the data folder. Okay, data slash file name is student.json. So here I will pass my student object. See here, the first argument is I'm passing the JSON file. Okay, and second argument is I'm passing the my POJO object. So here the write method will take this POJO object. It will write that data, this JSON Java data to JSON student.json file. Okay, it will bind. So how it will be bind? We will check it, and we are getting some exceptions. Okay, fine. And okay, fine. Save it, and we'll check it out. Okay, it will bind or not. Okay, I think I didn't kept any console, right? This is out, right? So I didn't get any console. So see, I will refresh this data folder and refresh. So see here, student file is created. The name is Sanjay and roll number is 453. Okay, so now import, right? So from the POJO to JSON, how I bound the data. Okay, how to binding the data is we are going to use the object mapper is the main pointer, and for this object mapper we are importing the object mapper from com.fastxml where it is Jackson data bind. So to work with the object mapper we should add a dependency Jackson data bind. Okay, keep it in mind. Fine. Now you can see here the data format, like it is coming like one line, but if you see here it is coming like it's good getting some breakpoints, right? Break, it came to next line, and it came to next line, and means it is beautifying. It's I wanted to beautify my JSON data here. Okay, right now. So for that we need to add some indent to the object mapper. So I will add some indent. So object mapper down. So I think that method is enable. So enable method, there you can serializable feature is there. There indent out. Okay, so when you keep this indent out, so you will get the beautified JSON data. I will get the beautified JSON data. See, now I will run this one. Okay, I run this one. Now you can see. Now you can see. You change it, right? That means if you add this one, so indent, so automatically it will beautify and it will write into the particular JSON file. So fine. So now we finally will summarize the concept. First thing, we bound the data, means we're binding the data from JSON file to this employee JSON file to and employee POJO object, means JSON to Java to bind. So next step, we bind the data which is from Java object to JSON file. These two concepts are very important. Okay, so later in next classes we are going to learn about Spring REST, how we are going to create a REST controllers and how we are going to handle the exception handling, and these things we are going to learn step by step. Okay, we'll meet in next lesson.